Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm at my parents' place right now, that's why the scenery is a little different. Just to start off, so many of you have sent really nice emails, messages. I want to thank you for that. It really has meant a lot. Fortunately, his condition seems to have stabilized. His heart is functioning fairly normally. So given that, I'm probably going to be returning next week. I think my wife and I will start driving back on Monday. We'll be back in town on Tuesday or Wednesday. With respect to class, let's see, we've got one assignment due Friday this week. That's sections 1, 2, and 3 of your proposed, or your study. Now, if you're doing this individually with your own data set, or some of you are in a group actually using your own data set, you just submit one paper per group. So if you're working on the AAUP data sets, there are 4 or 5 of you in a group, you submit just one paper, collaboratively written. What I usually suggest is that you have different people in the group work on different sections, and that you identify one person in your group who you think is maybe the best writer or the most organized person, and you have them bring that material together and then write it into a synthesized whole paper. That way you make sure that it's organized according to the outline in the syllabus, and this is the standard format for journal articles. And that also it's complete and it has a consistent sort of voice to it. You can sometimes notice when several people work on a paper, you'll find different sections just look and feel very different. But we want to try and avoid that. We don't want your voices across it to be minimized, but the idea is to have one person who you identify as the most organized person or the best writer, to bring those things together and then put that into a paper. So it has a sense of consistency across it in terms of voice. If you want to meet, have your meetings online, working in groups, you want me to attend, let me know. I'll be glad to be there. I've done this many, many times over the years, and I'm more than happy to help. Now keep in mind that only what's in that outline goes in the paper. I don't think it asks for a literature review. It doesn't ask for something, it doesn't go in there. Keep that in mind. People will often put in a lot of extra material that doesn't belong there, and that's just information and space you could use to elaborate on really important things. Given the fact that things have gotten kind of back to normal here, I'm going to set up a couple times this week where I'll be online in Skype, that you can log in if you have any questions. You don't have to. If you don't attend any of them, that's fine. It's perfectly all right. It's just a place where I can be online, so if you want to ask a question, you'd rather not email it, you'd rather talk, that's fine, I can be there. So you can run on for any reason, no reason at all. But these are just a couple times this week that I'll be online and available for you. And I will be there as long, as short time as you want me to be. I think what we'll do then is, at the bottom of this message, the email, you'll find 2 times. One will be Wednesday at noon, and the other will be Friday at 11 a.m. I try and vary the times of days. And I'll book an hour for it. If you happen to run over, I can always extend that. Just click out the link at the bottom. Like I said, you don't have to be there. If you want to just be there to listen in, if you have a question, that's great. No question is too large or too small. But it's just a nice way for us to be able to converse, and I miss that. Even if it's online, interactive like this, I miss that. I think it's important. So keep that in mind. And if there's anything else I need to add at this point, and I can't think so, I'm trying to check the emails every day, answer your questions. I haven't looked at Blackboard today, so I will look at it tomorrow morning and answer questions you might have there. But just keep in mind, this is typically the best, the easiest way to reach me, is through my office email. Anything else I need to talk about? I can't think so. All right, well, I hope things are going well there. Certainly are going better here. And I wish you were all here today. It's gorgeous. This is beautiful northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin kind of weather. It's probably in the mid-70s today, raining earlier, but you can see it's just a gorgeous, beautiful backyard behind me, where my parents are. And just a really nice day. At any rate, I'll be in touch. You know where to reach me, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.